Have you ever heard somebody say we're going to need all hands on deck and just kind of thought to yourself, like, wait a minute, why do we want just the hands? What about the rest of them? Well, if you've never made that mistake, you're already on your way to understanding synecdoche. Today we're going to dive into what synecdoche is and define it, and then we're also going to provide a few examples. Synecdoche. Yes, it's a mouthful, but synecdoche is an important figure of speech where we represent a part for the whole or a whole for the part. I like to think of synecdoche as a quick, poetic shortcut that our brains love. Usually synecdoche is quicker, punchier, and much more memorable than just stating something without synecdoche. So think of the example of all hands on deck. You could convey the same information by just saying, today we're going to need everybody to pitch in and give it their all. Saying all hands on deck communicates the message more quickly and is also more memorable. When speaking, we can use a part to represent the whole. So if you've ever heard someone say nice wheels as someone's rolling up with their cool car, spoiler alert, they're not just looking at the wheels. The wheels are the part that represents the whole, the car. And so when you say nice wheels, right, you're just saying nice car. We can also use a whole to represent the part. If you've ever read the headline, something to the effect of Canada won a gold medal. In that instance, Canada, the nation or the whole, is being used to represent the part or the individual Canadian athlete that won the medal. Do you have a favorite or wild example of synecdoche? If so, let us know in the comments below, and please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to support our channel.